Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X6a, and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started, hold your power button and select power off once it shows up on the screen. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After about 10 seconds of holding them, you should see Honor logo on a screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button. There we go. Now when the screen turns black again, you want to also let go of the volume up. And here, select Clear Data and then wipe cache partition. This will begin wiping it and only takes a couple seconds, and as you can see it's already finished. So once it's finished, we're going to select back, restart, and this will reboot the device and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.